Adding licenses or more users to an existing customer subscription can be done quickly through the Cloud Marketplace control panel. Once you are logged into the Marketplace, click on the Customer section on the navigation menu. You can select a subscription from the list or use the search to locate subscription. It's usually easier to search for the customer account, and that will bring up all of their subscriptions. Select the subscription that you need to manage. The current settings and license quantities for the subscription are shown. This subscription currently has 2 licenses. To add more, we'll press the Change button. Add the number of licenses you need. In our example, we need to add 1 license, so we'll increase our quantity from 2 to 3. At this time, we could also add any additional add-ons that are needed for this subscription. For example, we'll add 3 of the Advanced Communications promo licenses as well. After updating the number of licenses needed for the subscription, we simply press the Next button. The final step is to review the order details. If they are correct, press the Place Order button. That's all there is to it. Now you can help your customers add more licenses for new hires or release unutilized licenses in just a few simple steps. Take a look at it in your Cloud Marketplace.